yeah. Gently. Oh no! Change this tire. Oh, no. Not long enough. Torque wrench. Use only for opening. Not working. Oh, no. Problem is a round bolt. It's round bolt. What to do, pro mechanic, now? Oh no, broken. Oh god, it's broken. Not it's broken. Let's try this. Oh yeah. This bolt is completely round and destroy this nut completely. Share solution. Turbo nut. Good. Now we use this best solution. Best product. Good. Best hammer is in. Use a big hammer. Oh yeah, not so. Okay. Not enough power. Now lubricate this tool every day, oil daily. So longer, so more power. It's perfect. Oh yeah. Gently. Oh no. Shit. Best quality tools. Use only. Now we break the next tool. Wait. Lube. Lots of lube. Who good lube? Who good drive? Oh yeah. Open. Oh yes. So good. Finally. German quality. Oh yeah. Now we look at this bolt. Oh no! But look at this good work from this good tool. Wow. Link in the description. If you want to be kindly to customer, use it again.